Hi everyone, now we are going to unbox these three parcels. So let's start from this brown cover, and here is our item, and that's all inside, nothing more. Let's quickly open this. Okay, where should I open? Okay, here we go. We have some packaging material, that's it. So here's the coin bunch. Let's open that. Inside we have more taping, so let's open this. Okay, so let's check what we have here. You can see these are ancient or antique coins. All are in almost good condition. You can check a better strike condition. All are in good used condition. So let it be there, and let's open the next bond. Let's open this. Okay, inside we have this yellow box, so let's quickly open that. This is enough, I think so. Okay, inside we have some more packaging, you can see. So let's unbox everything. So here at the center we have the coins. You can see this is a bunch. Okay, that's all inside. We shall reuse this box, so let it be there. And now we can open this. Okay, so inside we have one more cover. Let's okay, here we remove the tapes, so let's check what we have. Another more packing, you can see, and you can clearly see this is a 1 paise coin, aluminum 1 paise, also in good UNC condition. You can check UNC condition, all are same year, I think so. So in this bag we have 50 coins 1 paise, so let it be there. And let's quickly open the third parcel, the third one. So let's open this also. Okay, so let's open this. This is a nice packaging. Okay, here we have the collections all packed in newspaper. So let's quickly open that. Okay, let's open this. Okay, let's open this quick. Inside we have few more newspaper. I like this kind of packaging very much. And you can see this is a 25 paise commemorative Delhi. That's 9th Asian Games commemoration. We have like four packets. So let's open the other items. And the others are there here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Inside we have a holder, coin holder, you can see. And this is a token coin and in a good condition, XF plus condition. So let it be there. And let's check what we have in the next one. So let's open this. Again we have a coin holder, and you can see it's a normal 2 rupee coin, but the special thing about this is you can see here it's a rotation error coin. It's a 6 o'clock rotation. This you can see is straight here, and at the back it's reverse from here. So this is a 6 o'clock rotation error, also in a good UNC condition. So in this parcel we got these items. One is of ancient or antique coins, one is 1 paise, another we have 25 paise commemorative, and a token, hazard in token I think so, and 2 rupee clock rotation error. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.